Here, let's discuss about roles and responsibilities as an ETL developer. What we have to do once you get a job, like what you can learn, what you will have to do, like that, right? So these are the basic roles and responsibilities. According to that, not 100%, but mostly these things only we have to make sure with that we have some awareness on this, right? ETL developer roles and responsibility, like initial responsibilities, like document all technical and system specific specifications for ETL process, uh, conduct unit testing and performance testing for ETL programs, assist in developing and implementing best practice for data movement, data quality cleansing and all. um, Provide technical knowledge of ETL solutions for business intelligence projects, collaborate with business analysts, data modelers, and BA leaders to meet business and technical requirements, draft task plans, and assign ETL work for projects, development and testing. Work with project managers to plan and manage uh, ETL tasks, resolve issues. Yeah, so ensure ETL code meets design specifications and runs efficiently. Perform unit testing, system testing, participate in quality assurance, walkthrough of ETL components, support performance tuning and troubleshooting. Use SQL for database extraction, updates, and performance optimization. Maintenance monitoring. Just go through this document. Yeah, you will get an idea of what are the roles and responsibilities, data analyzing and reporting, and system optimization, troubleshooting. Monitor the ETL system proactively and improve overall implementation, troubleshoot performance and connectivity issues, like that. Okay. Collaboration and communication. Provide insights and automated ETL setups to enhance efficiency. Assist in data validation and reconciliation during QA, UAT, and fraud phases. Sometimes sit phases also there. Communicate with clients and business teams to clarify requirements. Okay, technical expertise. Perform fine level validation using Unix shell scripts and command line and utilities. Understand data mapping, validation, and data analysis use cases. Plan and build roadmaps for data integration platform, aligning with latest tools and best practice. Okay. Yeah, make sure with these responsibilities. I am putting this document also in description. Just go through it and make sure with all these topics. Let's get into our actual course related to ETL Informatica Power Center and SQL. Okay, let's see.